In this video we'll talk about Bitcoin. Pumping today, started off yesterday. We are still in this pattern, this triangle pattern. We'll see if we will touch the top of this triangle in the next coming days, and maybe we'll go down. Let's have a look at that, and later on we will talk about this Livermore Accumulation Cylinder, which suggests Bitcoin could reach a new all-time high this year. As you can see in this picture. Now, if you think that is interesting, you should definitely watch this video. What's up, guys, and welcome to Coin Collect. My name is Martin. I'm hoping you have a very good week. And let's get right to the price of Bitcoin, of course. As you can see, Bitcoin is pumping the last 2 days now. We can see that Bitcoin is now stumbling upon resistance right now. As you can see, there's resistance here, support, and here we had another big resistance. So now we are in the resistance zone where Bitcoin might have some trouble breaking through. Now the question is if we are still in this pattern here, in this triangle. If we do, I expect Bitcoin to go a little bit higher, maybe tomorrow or the day after that, or maybe today, and then we will come back to test this bottom of this triangle. This reminds me of the 2018 movement, where we had a similar pattern where we eventually break down. Mostly of the time these triangles break to the downside. We have a 70% possibility that this could happen. Let's first see if this rally is sustainable and if we can break this triangle, and then we will reevaluate. And then maybe Bitcoin is ready for a big move to the upside. So the volume is still growing. It's looking pretty good, the volume. As you can see, the Bitcoin total market capitalization, or dominance, is also growing once again. So altcoins are still dumping. We are just over 70% of dominance right now. I can see this dominance going to 80% plus before we will see something like an alt season, or before some major alts start making their moves. So for Bitcoin, I will wait right now. We are seeing some resistance right now, and I'm waiting if we will break this triangle. If we don't break it, we will go down. If we do break it, it's getting pretty interesting, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. That's this. This is the Livermore's Accumulation Cylinder, where the mount widens, and we could potentially seeing this happening in Bitcoin. This is on a large time frame, of course, but the theory goes by follow. We have a cylinder that is widening with low volume at the bottom and high volume at the top of this cylinder, and then after that a big breakout will happening. Now I spotted a potential pattern like this in the Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, I'll put on the volume. As you can see, we have high volume here at the start, lower volume here at the bottom, again high volume at the top of this cylinder, and then again we're still in the cylinder with low volume at the bottom of the cylinder. This suggests that Bitcoin could make a new all-time high later this year and then come back to a level at around 12 to 13,000 before we will break out massively, before we will go to the moon. Now, of course, this is a long-term pattern, and I wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of this pattern. Does it make sense? Let me know. And that was already it for today, guys. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.